Morning all, Mark here from Machatter AI. Sorry, I've just got something in my eye. Today I'm going to be continuing with artists and styles. My first one this morning is an African artist called Cheri Samba. I'm just going to create a prompt for Cheri Samba. Now, as you all do, I look at my book and I find the artist, and then I find words about what type of artist he is, and I use them in the prompt. So he uses inspiration from comics, films and advertising. So let's think of a subject first. Let's think of an art. I'll go into the advanced prompt editor. Art in the style of Cheri Samba. Full stop. We'll go an African witch doctor. Keep that nice and simple. We'll go comics, films, popular painting, because it says here he's popular in a genre called Congolese School of Popular Painting. I'll go African traditions, symbolic imagery, okay, and I'll just add depth of field, perspective, and I'll get it. That'll do. And then I will say I want 9. I want widescreen. No, we'll go for landscape. Put that up to 80. And let's see what we get. So here we go. There's the results. So it's definitely African, but whether or not, so this is Cheri Samba stuff. That's a bit weird. I kind of like that. That's weird as well. Oh no, it's pretty cool stuff. But does it depict them here? Or is that just the African influences that are running there? So I'll tell you what we'll do. Let's remove that. And I'll do 4 of these and we'll see how different they are. Without, art by Cheri Samba. Because the thing is, not every artist works and not every artist style works. So we'll soon see if this is making a difference or not. Okay, so that's the one without his name. That's the one with his name. They're very close, aren't they? If I go that one, seems to be more detail here, and that could well be, just looking at this, that could be Cheri Samba there, although that's a woman. I'm not sure if it was, although that could be him. I think it does something. Well, everything does something, but yeah, I'm not sure. Anyway, you can make your own mind up on that. That's just a short one for Cheri Samba. Hope you're enjoying the videos. Don't forget to subscribe. We need subscriptions. And I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.